We live in a world where computers can write poems, compose music, and even paint masterpieces. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. Imagine typing a few words on your computer and it generates a full-blown story with vivid descriptions and compelling characters, or picture humming a simple melody and having AI transform it into a symphony orchestra. This technology is already changing the way we create and consume content. From writing marketing copy to generating realistic video game characters, generative AI is making its mark on various industries. As this technology continues to evolve, it's only going to become more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, but with great power comes great responsibility. As we marvel at the creative potential of generative AI, it's crucial to be aware of the ethical implications and potential downsides. So how does generative AI actually work? At its core, generative AI learns from existing data. Imagine feeding a massive amount of text, images, or music into a computer program. The AI then analyzes this data, identifying patterns and relationships within the information. Once the AI has a good grasp of these underlying patterns, it can start generating new content. It doesn't simply copy and paste existing data. Instead, it uses its learned knowledge to create something entirely new, often with surprising and impressive results. Think of it like this: you learn to speak a language by listening to others and understanding the rules of grammar. Generative AI works in a similar way, but with data instead of language. The real magic of generative AI lies in the sophisticated algorithms that power it. These algorithms, often based on neural networks, are designed to mimic the way the human brain processes information. One key technology is the transformer model, which has revolutionized the field of natural language processing. Transformer models are particularly good at understanding the context and relationships between words, allowing them to generate remarkably human-like text. Another important technology is generative adversarial networks, or GANs. GANs consist of two neural networks working together, a generator that creates new content and a discriminator that tries to distinguish between real and generated data. This constant back and forth pushes both networks to improve, resulting in highly realistic and creative outputs. Diffusion models are another exciting development in generative AI. These are just a few examples of the many technologies driving the rapid advancement of generative AI. Generative AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already making waves in a wide range of industries, changing the way we work, create, and interact with the world around us. In the realm of writing, AI-powered tools can now generate different kinds of creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and so on. For artists and designers, generative AI offers a whole new palette of creative possibilities. AI tools can generate realistic images from text descriptions, create different variations of existing artwork, and even assist in designing logos and other visual elements. The healthcare industry is also benefiting from the power of generative AI. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications to emerge, touching nearly every aspect of our lives. While the potential benefits of generative AI are vast, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks and ethical concerns associated with this technology. One of their most pressing concerns is the potential for misuse. Generative AI can be used to create incredibly realistic deepfakes, manipulated videos, or audio recordings that can deceive viewers and potentially be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or damaging someone's reputation. Another concern is the potential for bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI itself can inherit and perpetuate these biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in areas like hiring, loan applications, or even criminal justice. The increasing automation of creative tasks through generative AI also raises concerns about job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may be able to perform tasks traditionally done by human writers, artists, musicians, and other creative professionals. Finally, the use of generative AI raises important questions about data, privacy, and ownership. Who owns the rights to content created by AI? How can we ensure that personal data used to train AI models is protected and used responsibly? As we continue to develop and integrate generative AI into our lives, it's essential to have open and honest conversations about these ethical implications and work towards developing responsible guidelines and regulations for its use. By approaching generative AI with curiosity, caution, and a commitment to ethical considerations, we can harness its power for good and create a future where technology enhances our lives in meaningful and responsible ways.